Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart is going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation perspective is to keep this video relevant all weekend long so that if you are watching it Sunday, this video will still pertain. And I'm going to do that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Now, the first big update that needs to be done as of right now revolves around a very basic rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And that's also going to be kind of the linchpin level, if you will, of question that you need to ask yourself. So let's just use Sunday. You're watching this video sometime Sunday. Question number one to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 7,900? If you're answering the question that the price is still up above there, then overall, I would still consider that a very healthy weekend, because that would imply that even if you're answering the question Sunday that the price is, come down here and it's just hovering right at that level. Well, still, even if that were the case, think about what that would be telling you. That would be telling you that you have a set of lows right here, and then you look at these previous sets down there, and then just from a very short-term perspective, I mean, if you picture those as stair steps, that's still overall progress that's being made in the upwards direction. With all that being said, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 7,900, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. However, the next question you would want to immediately ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to the pink line there, which on my chart is denoting the 200 period simple moving average. But to assign a value to it, let's call it 7,700. So if you're answering the question that the price has dropped back below 7,900, where's the price at relative to 7,700? If you're answering the question, the price is down below there, well, that's where a little gut instincts comes into play, common sense, meaning if you're answering the question and the price is just slightly below it, okay, don't get me wrong, that's not a good thing. But if you're watching, this and you're answering it that the price is all the way down there at, let's just say 7,000, for example, well, that would be telling you that, this little move right here has been a dead cat bounce, and now the bears are really picking up momentum. The flip side is also true as far as, gut instincts and common sense. If you're saying, well, Clay, it's Sunday, I'm watching this, and the price is above 7,900, and not only is it above 7,900, it's up here at 8,900. Well, at that point, that would be telling you that it's been a very, very healthy weekend for the bulls. So everything is revolving around this 7,900 mark because there's been a lot of history around it. So it's good to see that the price has now been able to get back up above it. Now going into the weekend, can the price stay above it? And if it doesn't, then how far down does it go? And that'll dictate exactly who's kind of winning and losing over the course of the weekend. So things are definitely taking shape to be pretty interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.